Right. Sometimes we enter into the stock market and then we scan through stocks and then we want to make our investment decisions without having a proper understanding of the stocks in which we are investing in. I have realized and I've noticed that one of the things that help make us fail to make the profits that we are anticipating is because we lack deep understanding of the fundamentals of the stock in question. Now, when you are trading a stock, you need to look at the lowest point of that stock, and then you look at the new time high of the stock, and then between these two, you have movements that go up and down. Now, we need to understand in between these 2 points what goes on every day. Right. Stocks could be falling below or falling above the last high time that we have. But then before it does that, what does the stock do? All right. So I'm giving you an investment tip. Just this one investment tip will make you a millionaire if you grasp it and then if you work with it very, very well.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination, they grow.
When I started trading, I would scan through stocks and never had the understanding that before I invest into a particular stock, I need to know very well the movement of this particular stock. But the point is, you look into a stock and you realize momentarily this is where the stock is moving, and then you want to jump in. But while you could be lucky to make your profits, but the point is, if we can take our time to investigate stocks to see where they move, I always talk about the parameters within which these stocks move. And somebody will say, usually a stock will move maybe 5 points up or 5 points down. Or somebody, you will look at a particular stock in a day, it can move like $20 up, $15 up, $10 up, $5 up. Check it to see what happens after that. Right. And if it moves to this highest point where maybe we are looking at this movement that has gone up as the highest point of the stock, the highest, the new time high of the stock, then where could it be going? You get it. So we need to understand that we don't need so many stocks to be rich trading on the stock market. We just need to understand our fundamentals. We need to understand, what our stock does and how it behaves. And you could be rich trading just one stock. And I realize that when we are trading, because we don't have this in our mind, we also do not have the habit of recording the points of the stocks that we are trading. Right. So you could look at a stock and then you take, for instance, NVIDIA, and then you look at the movement of NVIDIA from January 2025 and see every day how many dollars does it move up and down, and what does it do before it moves that particular number down or up. What does it do? Does it consolidate a bit? How is the movement? Now, even if you are able to study these things, it will inform you as to the period of contracts that you should buy. Because if you know that you are trading NVIDIA, and then NVIDIA is maybe at 113, and then you are looking at moving with NVIDIA to 120, then you would be able to understand that before NVIDIA will move from 113 to 120, take all things being equal, then it will take about a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a week. Now that will inform you as to how long you should buy your contract for. Right. I want to take you into the charts, then I will show you a vivid example of this trading strategy, okay? So that we can implement this strategy and apply it to, it may not be just one stock you are trading, it may be two, it may be three. But let's journal. Let's journal the movement of our stocks, and then let's journal, everything that it does. You understand? Before we'll be able to understand completely how this stock moves, we need to be able to gather all the data about the stock. Let's leave news for, news and management, change of management aside. But we are just looking at how the stock moves. Okay, so let's look at this stock. This is Alibaba. I've traded Alibaba severally. So let me take us through 2024. Let me see. Okay, so 2024. This is May 2024, and then okay. So let's start looking from here. Okay, May, June, July. Let's take it from the last time. Let's look at May 2024. And this is daily chart, but let me bring it to the 4-hour time and let's look at it. So we are in October. Okay, let's go back. And here we are in May 2024. Okay, we are in May 2024. Now, I started trading Alibaba for more than 6 months profitably. And what I started doing was, I was just looking at the points that Alibaba moves. Okay, so if you look at, this is 4-hour, but let us look at 1 hour. Okay, that will give us a clear picture of what I want to show. So this is 1 hour chart. Okay, and then this is October. Let's go back down to May 2024 and look at, so we are in August now. Okay, if you take a good look at Alibaba, it has been on a downturn. Okay, it has been on a downtrend all this while. And so when I started trading, so this is July, this should be, okay, this should be May, then yeah, this is May 2024. Okay, so let's look at May 2024 when it got to somewhere around, let me see, I can see this price. Okay, 80, yeah, 89. Okay, around that time the highest it could get to be 89, 87, 85, right? So anytime, knowing that Alibaba is on a downturn, anytime I see it move all the way to, let's say, here we're taking the highest point, that is 88. I knew that at 88, Alibaba will do what? It will come down, because from, if you look at May 2024, Tuesday, it had been on, an uptrend all the way to Friday, consolidated there from Friday, that is on the 17th, all the way to 20th. Then it came down how many points? So from, let's say, 88, 89, it consolidated the base, but still falling a little bit. So like we take it from 88, and then it came all the way down to 86. Okay, now I said, I think I've made a video about how to make $100 a day trading options. If you are looking at moves like this, then you need just $2 move to be able to make even more than $100 if your calculations are right. If you look at all your deltas and then your data and all those things, you take them into consideration, and then you look at your entry points and exit points very well, then between 88 to 86 you could have made your $100. You understand? Now here I see that this from 86, it could be going back to 88, 89, or it will come down. You understand? And this is where price action matters. This is where you need to read your candles to understand what the next candle, what is the next candle telling me to do. So that will inform you as to whether Alibaba is continuing to be down, or it may go up again to the 89, or it is coming down. So the next candle that will come will inform you. But if you look at it from 86, okay, then we look at how it came down. Okay, it came down from 86, how many dollars? 86 all the way to 80. Okay, so if you look 86 to 80, that's $6. Is that not so? Fine, we are on a downtrend, but you know how stocks move. They will move up and then move down. So it went up how many points? 2. And so that is like, so you are looking at 6 minus 2, and that is 4 over there. But let's see from there, how did it move down again? It moves all the way to 78. So from 78, from 84 to 78, we are looking at another 6. All right, I hope I'm correct. Another $6. Okay, so we look at here, then it moves up to 79.9, almost 80. I think even 80. Then let's see how it moved down again. So it came, and how many days did that take? So from here we have 80. That is Thursday, 30th May. Then let's see when it dropped all the way. This is 31st. So 80, it dropped 3 points. So that is $3 again. So we have been looking at between 3 and 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Let's see. How did it move up again? From 77 to what? 79. 79. All right. So that is another $2 over there. That can get you your $100. Then let's see our next move. So here it takes us down a bit, like a kind of consolidation. Then let's see, it lifted itself all the way to 79.77 again. So 77 to 79.76, another 2 points. Consistently, if you are looking at this and you are taking into consideration Alibaba is on a downturn, then you will know how to make your $100 trading this every day. You get it. So sometimes it is not trading so many stocks. You jump here, this one has done this, this one has done this, and then you are jumping in and out without understanding whether even the stock is on a long-term downturn or a long-term upturn. You understand? If you are in a long-term uptrend, then you know that anytime it comes down, it retraces a bit, it is ready to go up. So you can go up with it. If it's on a long-term downturn, like the way Alibaba has been moving, all that you need to do is to wait for it to come up a little bit, and then you join it downwards. This is the strategy that you need to analyze every stock. All right? You can analyze every stock. Now, there are instances where Alibaba, remember, you need to put your stop loss, because when we come all the way to 20, we come all the way to 20, 24 July, we moved all the way up. Okay, to where? Let me see. Let's look at this one. Okay, from September, Alibaba has moved from 89 all the way to 117. So if you have your stop loss and your take profit, it would have cut you off somewhere. You still have maintained the points that you are looking for. Right. So here we are. Trading on the stock market is not a mystery. It is just being careful, looking at what you are interested in, doing your studies, making your journaling, recording the necessary data, reviewing them, and taking action on them. I don't want you to continue to scan the whole stock market to select stocks to trade. Look at a few. I have said one. This is just one example I've given you, but you could have a few. You could have like 3, 5 that you are consistently studying and trading. And look, you will become a millionaire trading just those few. Until we meet on the next video, I want to say that those who are new to the channel today, this is Flavia. And on this channel, we share tips, tricks, and strategies that we can use to trade stocks on the stock market and so many other things that we can trade on the stock market to making money so we can retire rich and retire young. We want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for new updates and then for new videos that we upload. And for the well builders who have been here, I want to say that if you are not here, I will not be here. Continue to like and then to comment and leave your questions and I'll be glad to answer them. Until we meet on the next video, is bye.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick, you build it right. From the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step. Every fall a future pep.